Welcome to IBC 2022. It's been 3 long years since the world's most inspiring content and technology event occurred in Amsterdam. InBroadcast is here in Europe to engage with each other, unlock business opportunities, discover the latest innovations, and explore the exciting world of content. Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Andrew Starks of Macnica. Hello.
Hello, nice to see you.
You too. So a couple new things here going on at your booth. Tell me, what are you demoing right now?
Well, we're really excited about open standards for 172110 and a new emerging standard called IPMX, which is based on 172110. And Macnica for, I want to say like 10 years now, has been a real leader in that technology, both contributing to the standards and making implementations that are really class leading and used worldwide. And so our goal is so that if you are a product manager working for a company and your company is getting into the cloud, getting into software, getting into Pro AV, kind of branching out into different areas where video is used all around the world, we want to make sure we have an answer for you. And that's what we're showing here at IBC.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And so what things are you,
absolutely.
What products are behind me?
Right. Well, so we have 2 main demo areas, and I'd like to show this one here first. This is based on our existing SMPTE 2110 product, which, as I mentioned, is in thousands of devices around the world, and lots of big name companies, which unfortunately we can't name because that works. But what we're showing today is our integration with our standard FPGA core IP in our evaluation kit, which is taking in video from a 1080p source, and then we're going to a 100 gigabit card that we've developed in partnership with Intel. And that card it's a smart NIC, so it's using, again, our FPGA IP on the card, but also it's using our software implementation, which makes it super easy for developers to bring in SMPTE 2110 video into the computer environment, manipulate it, do whatever they need to do, and then send it back out again. Again, completely compliant, and in this case with very, very low CPU usage and very low latency as well.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And could you tell me a little bit more about the company or what we can expect from the company in the next couple or in the near future?
Well, another project that we're working on, very similar to what we're doing with SMPTE 2110, is our work with IPMX. And for IPMX, we have, again, another software implementation, same SDK, so a developer developing on smart NIC cards can use standard NIC cards to take in video on, say, like a standard laptop, which we're showing at the show. But also we have a chip called the ME10, which is the fastest way for developers to build products for the emerging IPMX open standard. One key thing about IPMX is it's kind of tuned more for the Pro AV market. So that includes presentation of content. So I want to be able to plug my laptop in, and my laptop finds out what the projector can handle, and the right video is negotiating. It's all plug and play. But also friendly to software and 4K video, 60 frames a second, 444 on a 1 gig connection. So getting that video compressed down to a space that is very accessible for people and doesn't require expensive switching equipment or experts to run it. So IPMX is interesting for us. We're very involved in that standard. We've been leading the charge with other manufacturers and the standards organizations. And with the IPMX development kit, people are able to follow along with the standards and even actually design and build early products on the standards, so that when IPMX is when IPMX is released, they'll be ready, and they'll be one of the manufacturers that are able to take that early wave of interest.
Right, love that. Very cool. Yeah. So lots of exciting things going on over here. Thank you for having us at your booth, and thank you for speaking with us today.
Absolutely, thank you.